There comes a day in your life when something inside you snaps. Not in anger, not in sadness, but in realization. A moment so powerful, so silent, that you can literally feel your old life falling apart and your new life forming at the same time. And that day is the day you finally say, "I'm done." It doesn't happen during a fight. It doesn't happen during a heartbreak. It doesn't even happen during the big moments. It happens quietly. Maybe you're lying on your bed. Maybe you're staring at your phone. Maybe you're driving at night with music playing softly. And suddenly, you feel something shift. You're tired, but not the usual tired. Not the "I need sleep" tired. You're tired of being ignored. Tired of being misunderstood. Tired of giving your heart to people who treat it like it's replaceable. Tired of being strong for everyone except yourself. And you whisper the first truth you have said in years. "I can't live like this anymore." That's the first sign. The things that used to break you stop mattering. Someone gives you attitude? Whatever. Someone leaves your message unseen? Cool. Someone tries to make you feel small? Congratulations. You no longer react. And the world gets confused. Because the old you would fight, cry, explain, apologize for things you never did. But the new you choose silence. Not because you're weak, but because you finally realized not every battle is yours. Not every person deserves your energy. Not every situation needs your attention. The moment you start changing, people around you start revealing themselves. The ones who only call when they need something disappear. The ones who were intimidated by your potential get uncomfortable. The ones who never believed in you start gossiping. But the real ones, they get closer. They cheer for you. They say, "I'm proud of you." They feel your growth, even from a distance. Because when you finally choose yourself, you see the truth about everyone else. Your healing doesn't come all at once. It comes in waves. Some days you feel powerful. Some days you feel empty. Some days you feel like you're starting over again. But in those moments, something beautiful happens. You begin building a new version of you. One small habit at a time. One small boundary at a time. One small decision at a time. You stop overthinking. You stop people-pleasing. You stop doubting yourself. You start sleeping better. You start walking with confidence. You start choosing peace instead of chaos. You start realizing you deserve better, not because someone told you, but because you finally believe it. And here's the funny part. The moment you level up, everyone notices. People ask, "Why are you so calm? Why don't you get angry anymore? Why are you so focused?" Because they don't understand the battles you fought alone. They don't understand the nights you cried silently. They don't understand the pain that forced you to grow. Your healing looks like attitude to them. Your boundaries look like distance to them. Your silence looks like ego to them. But you don't owe anyone an explanation. This version of you earned it. You start winning quietly. You start succeeding quietly. You start improving quietly. You're not in competition with anyone. You're not trying to prove anything. You're not seeking validation. You're simply building. Building the life you once prayed for. Building discipline. Building character. Building peace. This is the version of you that people never saw coming. Not louder, but stronger. Not colder, but wiser. Not heartless, but selective. You become unshakable. So if you're in that moment, that quiet moment where you feel the urge to change, don't ignore it. That's your soul trying to save you. That's your future calling you. That's your new life begging you to start. Let go of the old you. Let go of the people who drained you. Let go of the version of yourself that tolerated things you'd never accept today. Because your real life, your strongest version, your true power, begins the day you finally say, enough. Now watch me become everything you said I couldn't be.